Um, I really don't have words for that one. What in the hell? Oh my gosh. Has it been sitting for a while or what? It actually looks like they put some new tires on it. I mean, what in the world has that thing been sitting under? That is crazy. Oh, it hadn't been tagged in years. Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. Punch me in the face if you think the Ford Flex is not a great looking car. I have always loved these cars. I mean, I know the body style's been around for, 6 or 7 years now at least. And I know they're discontinued. My local Ford dealer here has 2 left and a handful of Ford Fiestas. And everything else they got are trucks and SUVs. Since, I guess, Ford's out of the car business. I mean, they don't have a Fusion or a Focus. Got about, like I said, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 Fiestas, all of them automatic, which I would not have. But this car right here was something else. These were really a cool throwback to the station wagon of yore. I thought, the station wagon I grew up with. My mom had a Ford LTD wagon. Actually, you know what? I think it was a Mercury. I think it was a Colony Park. But anyway, I like how this dealership does these beach style decals on the windows. Pug. Serving Georgia since 1960. They have been around for a while. This one's a limited. This one's an SEL, but it's fully loaded. I was looking at the window sticker on it. And of course you won't be able to see it because it's tinted. But this has the 3.5 V6 window sticker of $40,735. It was unlocked, so that's why I was doing a video. They are not open today, so hope they don't mind. Shout out to Pugmire. I'm not robbing anything. I just like your Flex. But these things are so luxurious. Really, they are. I mean, this is an SEL. That's a limited. It has the wooden steering wheel, and I can see that. But this is really nice. I mean, that door is big and heavy. I mean, these things are so roomy. Now, I don't know about the third row, but I'm 6'2". Man, I got tons of room. This would be an awesome car to vacation, travel in. I just think they're great cars. Now, I know the turbos weren't super reliable like a lot of EcoBoost, especially the earlier versions. But this has just got the 3.5, just standard V6. This should be a reliable, good unit. I like that bottle holder. I mean, that's a huge bottle holder. Just great. I think it just has great quality and fit and finish. Got the nice wood trim treatment. Lots of storage. Like I said, the big bottle holders here. A lot of soft touch. Now, this is plastic, but this is man, these are nice. Let's see. Got a sunroof back there, which probably doesn't open, but it has a shade for the third row. And then, of course, I've got a shade for mine here. That's pretty cool. Got the keypad built in there. I wish these guys were open and I could start her up. 155 miles, no key detected. Oh yeah, man. What kind of discount you think Ford would give me off a 2019? It's got a window sticker of 40 grand. I imagine it's got heated seats. The seats aren't perforated, so I doubt they're cooled. The windshield has a pretty steep rake, I notice. Very, very boxy. But looking out the steering wheel and across the hood, you feel like you're in something really substantial. Adjusting the seat out a little bit here, trying to get myself comfy. There we go. Oh, tilt telescope. Oh, yeah. Great driving position. Let's see, what do we got right here? Huh, not real sure what that feature is. If anybody knows. It's just got an arrow and like a loop. It's kind of odd. I mean, thud. Just a beautiful car, man. I'm sure it's got tons of technology in there. All this stuff is soft touch. Yeah. Heck, it's not even soft touch. I think it's just all like an iPad. It's sensor related. Really neat car, though. Got all the stuff you'd need. Man, and then some. I think these are just great family haulers and a good alternative to an SUV. They sit up kind of high too, so they've got a good seating position. I've always liked the big wheels and tires. I thought those were sharp. I always liked the nose. I mean, they've just always been just a good looking vehicle to me. Good looking crossover. I guess this would genuinely be called a crossover, but if you ask me, it's a damn station wagon. It's a station wagon. Okay, we got another plug-in outlet there along with the one here. I imagine there were some USBs. Oh yeah, we got USB, another outlet, so 3 outlets, 2 USBs. There may even, no more in there. Wonder if there were USBs in the back. I didn't notice. Oh yeah. Got your climate control back here. Oh yeah, you can hook up your iron and blender while you go down the road. Nice cup holder and cubby. Because there's not a center folding armrest. These seats recline. It's nice. I wonder what color this is. Agate black with dune leather. Black on tan. I figured it had a power lift gate. It's got the tow package. And then your third row was hidden down here. Yeah. Another outlet. Pretty cool, man. I hope Ford knows what they're doing by discontinuing cars. Huge discount. Yeah, I sure hope they know what they're doing by getting rid of the cars. I mean, come on. This is Ford Motor Company. We are doing away with the cars. That's just crazy to me. Now, I do see a few... No, there's a few... there they are. A couple of Mustangs. 5 of them and about 3 Fusions. Now, I believe the Mustang is going to continue to be made. I had forgotten about that. But the rest are out of here, man. Trucks and SUVs. That's what it's all about from here on out. Crazy, crazy. Anyway, let me get back in my old bins. Y'all have a good one. See you next time. Like, subscribe, comment. Peace.